7 Great Home Projects for Summer. While away your summer on your front porch with a cool drink and a dog at your feet, and keep an eye on those kids running through the sprinkler. There is no better perch for this than a porch swing. Get ready for summer fun by designing and installing your own paver patio. Precast concrete pavers are easier and less expensive than pouring a concrete slab patio and faster than laying down smaller individual bricks. Be the star of the neighborhood with your own Tiki Bar in your backyard. Hone your bartending skills, crank up the blender, and bring the flavor of the tropics to your home. Get ready for the cooler weather of fall and winter by replacing your home's exterior front door. Summer is the perfect time to do this since the project entails keeping the front door open to the elements for as long as a day or two. Summer, too, means you are not competing with inclement weather that threatens to drive you inside. Door replacement is a substantial project that is well worth it, both in terms of your inside comfort, overall home value, and curb appeal. Replacing kitchen and bathroom countertops is an expensive proposition. Is there an alternative? Painting your countertops is a viable solution that works as an excellent stopgap for a number of years prior to full replacement. Scorching temperatures threaten to drive homeowners out of their yards and into their homes. Find much-needed relief from the outside highs by installing a window unit air conditioner in your slider window or casement window. Prepare your house for the upcoming cool months by insulating your crawl space. Summer is the best time for this extensive project as it affords you with enough time and cooperative weather to make those frequent crawls under the house. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.